Adding amplifiers to an ArmoníaPlus project is really simple. All we have to do is go under Design, Add, and then click on the amplifier tool at the top bar. This will open a window with all the different amplifier manufacturers we have in our library. We will select PowerSoft, for example, and then we will select the X series of amplifiers, and for the model we will pick the X8 with Dante. We can then choose the quantity of amplifiers that we want to add to the workspace. For this example, let's insert 4 amplifiers. And then ArmoníaPlus gives us the option to already add these amplifiers to the workspace in a rack. We can decide how many amplifiers we want to put in one rack. And we can then click on Add and Close to add these amplifiers to the workspace. We can see that all amplifiers were added to the workspace in one single rack. We can select individual amplifiers and give them a different name. We can also rename the rack just by clicking on the existing name at the top and typing in a new one. Let's call this one My Rack. And as a different example, we will add another 4 amplifiers to the workspace. But this time we will not put them in the rack before clicking Add and Close. Now we will click on the Rack tool at the top bar so that we can add an empty rack to the workspace. Just like for speaker groups, to add amplifiers to this rack we have to click Assign, which will then display Assigning with a green background, and then click on the individual amplifiers to add them to the rack. And this is how easy it is to add amplifiers to the workspace in ArmoníaPlus.